Hey friends, thank you so much for joining me in this video. APA College for Women at Parani, and this particular program was a very big program for a single Department of English. What we're seeing here is the girls are really trying to have the cognitive behavior therapy statements inculcated into their mind. Look at the picture. The 10 statements. I can because I believe I can. It's possible. It's not over until I win. It's not a sad day, it's a character building day. I'm going for it no matter what. I believe, not doubt. I create, not destroy. I promise to my God that I would do it. So what? What next? Man becomes what he thinks about. You see, all these statements are given in this self-hypnotic state, because you see all the girls having their eyes closed and they're just listening to my voice. And when I am giving these statements into the mind, and in this self-hypnotic state, the statement does not go to the conscious minds of the girls, it goes to the subconscious mind of the student. And that's the key here. So once you infringe all these statements into the subconscious mind, the person who thinks that she cannot do a certain thing gets out of that kind of confined box, and she comes out of that limitation, the psychological limitation, and she tries to give her best. In this activity, she is supposed to come to the stage and stand on the huge dais. That's the task. And I'm just making these people get prepared for that particular task. Because standing in front of 320 other people, there are 321 girls here, standing in front of 320 other people is a very big challenge. Okay, so what I'm doing here is repeating the statement in a proper level of cognitive repetition state, and these people are listening to it very carefully. After a certain point of time, when they are getting the level of confidence and getting the level of comfort by listening to this guidance voice, which I am giving live on the stage and in the auditorium itself, they get a little bit of a comfort and they try to repeat the statements, whatever I'm saying. Once they come to an origin of comfort and their ability giving them the proper courage, their kind of potential is being triggered out. They start repeating the statements, whatever I'm saying, like I can because I believe I can. It's possible. It's not over until I win. All these statements, you see, the girls are repeating along with me, and that makes a huge impact into their psychological mechanism. So we deliberately repeat these set of statements at least 3 or 4 times so that the girls get complete level of self-drive to come to the stage. So after 3 or 4 times of repetition, I go and stand in front of the stage, onto the stage, and I invite all the girls. As you can see, the girl who was hesitating to come to the stage, now after this cognitive behavior therapy, every single girl stands up and they all walk towards the dais. Now this is called as unleashing the real power within yourself. There were 321 students and there were 17 faculty members. As you could see here, apart from the 17 faculty members, all the 320 plus students have come, and in fact there was a shortage of space onto the dais and they were not able to stand on the dais, but still we tried really hard and spent almost about 5 minutes for occupying all the girls onto the stage. And after this they were supposed to answer some of my questions, and we were able to see at least 20 to 25 people speaking by getting the mic, and the girls are just coming up. There was a choice given to the girls. Either they can stand down the dais, but all the girls chose to stand upon the dais. So I had to come down and I started asking the questions. One simple question that I asked before appreciating them, I had to make all of them clap for themselves because we don't have audience, because the audience themselves are on stage. I was explaining what has really happened, and I asked every single girl one simple question: what made them come to the stage and stand on the dais like this? And girls started answering that one specific statement made me. Some girls answered, a group of statements made me come over here. Some girls answered, well, this entire process of cognitive behavior therapy made me come to the stage. So the discussion was going on for about 15-20 minutes from then onwards, and we had a wonderful session after that. What you're seeing is the part 1 of this video. So here, after this fear thrashing had happened, I asked all the girls to come down, and they got their seats, and we proceeded to the next level. I would like to conclude that if you are using cognitive behavior therapy for your fear, troubles and struggles, you can definitely become a very good emerging leader. Thank you so much.